Are you looking for ways to earn money while you sleep? Imagine a world where your bank account grows, even as you're off enjoying life. This is the power of passive income. Passive income is money you earn with minimal effort, providing financial security outside your regular paycheck. It's about diversifying your income streams, ensuring you're not solely reliant on one source. If this sounds like a dream come true, then keep listening as we explore 10 passive income ideas you can start today. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get more valuable ideas on how to achieve financial freedom. So let's get started. Our first passive income idea is investing in dividend stocks. Now, what exactly is this? Dividend stocks belong to companies that distribute a portion of their earnings back to shareholders. This payout, known as a dividend, can provide a steady stream of income. Imagine this. You're essentially getting paid for just owning the stock. It's like having a tree that drops money instead of leaves. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Investing in dividend stocks comes with its own set of risks. But if you have a diversified portfolio and play your cards right, these risks can be managed. Remember, while there are risks, the potential to earn dividends while you sleep makes this a compelling passive income option. The next passive income source is real estate investments. A world of opportunity awaits in the realm of bricks and mortar. One of the most traditional methods is investing in rental properties. By becoming a landlord, you can earn a steady income stream from your tenants' rent. Alternatively, you might consider real estate investment trusts or REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in a REIT, you can earn a share of the income produced through real estate investment without actually having to go out and buy, manage, or finance any properties yourself. Whether you choose rental properties, REITs, or a combination of both, remember that each has its own set of risks and rewards. It's crucial to do your homework and understand what you're getting into. While it requires initial effort, real estate can be a lucrative passive income source. Peer-to-peer lending is another great way to earn passive income. Let's dive into this world of modern finance. In essence, peer-to-peer lending is a method of debt financing that allows individuals to borrow and lend money without the use of an official financial institution as an intermediary. This way, lenders can earn higher returns compared to traditional savings and investment products, while borrowers can borrow money at lower interest rates. Here's how it works. You, as an investor, essentially act as a bank, lending your money to other individuals or small businesses in need. These loans are then repaid with interest, which is where your profit comes from. But remember, with potentially higher returns come higher risks. The main risk is borrower default. This means that the borrower does not repay the loan, resulting in a loss of your investment. Therefore, it's crucial to diversify your investments and only invest money you can afford to lose. With careful planning, peer-to-peer lending can become a steady source of passive income. Let's talk about making money through blogging. In the digital age, a well-crafted blog can be more than just a platform for sharing thoughts and experiences. It can serve as a lucrative income stream. To begin, you have advertising revenue. Blogs with a substantial readership can attract advertisers who are willing to pay for ad space. The more traffic your blog generates, the higher your potential ad revenue. But remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality. Engaging, relevant content is key to attracting and maintaining an audience. Companies often pay bloggers to write about their products or services. This can be a great way to monetize your blog, especially if your audience aligns with the company's target market. Bloggers can also earn a commission by promoting products or services and providing a link for their readers to make a purchase. With consistency and quality content, blogging can be a significant source of passive income. Have you ever thought about creating an online course? It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge or skills with the world, and the best part is, it can generate a steady stream of income over time. Let's say you're an expert in stock market investing, programming, or even baking. You can create a comprehensive course, break it down into easy-to-digest modules, and publish it on an online platform. Your course becomes a one-time effort that continues to pay off. People around the globe are eager to learn new skills, and they're willing to pay for quality content. And remember, once your course is live, it requires minimal upkeep, just occasional updates to keep the content fresh and relevant. What's more, most online platforms handle the marketing for you. They promote your course to their user base, expanding your reach without extra effort on your part. An online course can bring in passive income for years after its creation. Renting out a room or property on Airbnb can be a fantastic source of passive income. Here's the scoop. You've got some extra space, maybe a guest room, a vacation home, or an apartment that's often vacant. Why not put it to work for you? Listing a property on Airbnb is a straightforward process. You set up an account, create a listing with photos and details about your space, and voila, you're in business. You set your own price, rules, and availability. It's a flexible way to earn income on your own terms. Plus, Airbnb provides a host guarantee that protects your property against damage. Potential earnings can vary widely depending on your location, the type of property, and how often it's available. But here's the kicker. Many hosts make enough to cover their mortgage or rent and then some. So, with a bit of effort and smart management, Airbnb can provide a substantial passive income if managed correctly. Affiliate marketing is another excellent passive income source. Now let's break it down. Essentially, affiliate marketing is a process where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. It's like being a middleman, but in the digital world. The beauty of it is you don't need to create your own product or service, you simply need to connect a buyer and a seller. The key to success in affiliate marketing lies in choosing the right product to promote and finding a suitable audience for it. Getting started is as simple as joining an affiliate program. Many companies, from small startups to big players like Amazon, offer affiliate programs. Once you're in, you'll get a unique link to share on your blog, social media, or wherever you have a following. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you get a piece of the profit. Affiliate marketing can provide a significant income with the right strategy and persistence. Selling digital products online can be a lucrative passive income source. In this digital age, there's a vast array of products you can create and sell online. Consider writing an ebook, a venture that allows you to share your knowledge on a specific subject. If you're artistically inclined, digital art or photography could be your ticket. For the tech-savvy individuals, creating and selling software, apps, or even website templates could generate a steady income stream. To sell these products, you'd need an online platform. Websites like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing for ebooks, Etsy for digital art, or Code Canyon for software are just a few examples. You can also build your own website for full control over your products and profits. Just remember, creating a digital product requires time and effort, but once it's created and uploaded, it can provide a continuous stream of income without much additional work. Selling digital products can be a great way to earn money while you sleep. Starting a YouTube channel can be a great source of passive income. The process is fairly simple. Brainstorm a unique concept, create engaging content, and consistently publish videos. Your channel could be about anything you're passionate about, like psychology, historical facts, movies, or even cooking. The sky truly is the limit. Once you've established a steady viewership, monetization can start. YouTube's partner program allows creators to earn money from ads placed on their videos. The more views your videos get, the higher the potential ad revenue. That's where the passive part comes in. But ads aren't the only way to generate income. Sponsorships, merchandise sales, and fan funding through platforms like Patreon can also contribute to your earnings. Remember, it may take time to build a substantial audience and start earning. But with a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of dedication, and a whole lot of persistence, a YouTube channel can become a significant source of passive income. So, there you have it. 10 passive income ideas you can start today. From the thrill of dividend stocks to the promise of real estate investments. The community of peer-to-peer lending to the creativity of blogging. The knowledge sharing of online courses to the hospitality of Airbnb. The networking potential of affiliate marketing to the digital dynamism of selling digital products. And finally, the exciting realm of starting a YouTube channel. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Start building your passive income streams today for a more secure tomorrow.